Welcome to Studio House Design, your cozy corner for inspiring farmhouse living. Dive into warm, balanced neutrals and timeless modern farmhouse style with us. We bring you detailed tours, expert tips, and creative ideas to help you craft a home that feels inviting, elegant, and perfectly you. Step into this welcoming foyer where soft sunlight dances across light oak floors, hugging the cozy console with its rustic charm. Feel that instant warmth from beige shiplap walls and gentle beams overhead, like a friendly hug pulling you right into farmhouse bliss. Picture sinking into plush linen sofas in the living room, sunlight spilling over layered rugs and elegant tables. Those warm beige walls whisper comfort, while beams add that perfect cozy touch, making every gathering feel effortlessly luxurious and lived in. Curl up in the family room where sunlight bathes slip-covered seats and textured rugs, inviting lazy afternoons. Beige panels glow softly against the rustic media unit, beams overhead tying it all with farmhouse heart, pure relaxed joy in every sunlit corner. Imagine hosting at this dining table, sunlight glinting off set dishes under a subtle chandelier. Light oak floors flow seamlessly, beige shiplap walls embrace the space warmly, beams adding cozy elegance for those memorable, heartfelt meals together. Whip up magic at the kitchen island, sunlight flooding white cabinets and wood accents on oak floors. Beige walls and gray beams create that dreamy, open vibe, where every prep feels like a sunny hug in Shea-inspired cozy perfection. Grab your coffee in this sunlit pantry, shelves brimming with charm on light oak floors. Beige shiplap and wood beams wrap around the prep counter lovingly, turning quick stops into delightful warm moments of farmhouse ease. Drift off in the master bedroom, sunlight caressing the linen headboard and layered neutrals on oak floors. Soft beige walls and beams overhead weave pure serenity, like a gentle embrace promising restful dreams in cozy haven. Organize effortlessly in the walk-in closet, sunlight highlighting wood shelves against beige panels on oak floors. Beams add subtle warmth, making this space feel like a peaceful retreat, stylish yet so invitingly personal. Freshen up at the vanity, sunlight softening mirrors over basins on light oak floors. Beige wood walls and gray beams glow with neutral stone charm, turning routines into spa-like bliss, all wrapped in farmhouse coziness. Tuck in the kids amid sunlit beds and rustic touches on oak floors, beige shiplap sparking playful dreams. Beams overhead keep it grounded in warmth, blending fun with that timeless, comforting farmhouse feel for little ones. Unwind in the guest room, sunlight welcoming you to neutral bedding on light oak floors. Beige panels and beams create instant hospitality, like a thoughtful hug saying stay as long as you like in this cozy nook. Dive into work at the office desk, sunlight illuminating bookshelves on oak floors amid beige walls. Warm beams overhead inspire focus with rustic charm, blending productivity and peace in your perfect farmhouse sanctuary. Relax on the terrace as sunlight flows from house to outdoor seats, oak extending warmly. Beige walls and wood details merge indoors out, inviting breezy chats in this seamless, sun-kissed extension of homey joy. Wander the garden where sunlight kisses lush greens and oak decking, beige fences framing cozy benches. Textures bloom invitingly, capturing that balanced neutral magic, like nature's own warm farmhouse embrace. Thanks for joining us today. Remember the warmth of balanced neutrals and that cozy farmhouse vibe you saw here. If you love these design ideas, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts and bring more inspiration your way soon.